You look like the Incredible Hulk.
I love art.
Today is Monday, and up until today, the other videos we've done our travels, the things we've checked out, the farmer's market, and the yes, Noah, the Sparkleberry Fair. They know that Mama's brain just shifted into neutral. But those are all weekend type events. Usually during the week, you're going to see the mundane. Guys, are you thrilled?
Yes, ma'am.
Kinsey is lying. Are we thrilled about prepositional phrases, Micah? Micah is honest. Can you tell me a preposition?
Around.
Around! Very good! And what was that piece of money that we couldn't remember?
A quarter?
What was a quarter worth?
25 cents.
25 cents. Awesome. This morning's been school where we've done the normal math and language, and we've had meltdowns and crying, and that's just Mama. That's not even talking about the kids yet. So for the afternoon, we're going to be working on our next unit study. We like to take a break from the schoolwork every once in a while, and like the actual workbooks, and do unit studies. And we're going to feed off of something we learned a little bit about at the Sparkleberry County Fair. And we're going to talk about worms.
You can save the earth by composting with worms.
I think she had hope.
Worms that's such a fun topic, especially for a mom of 4 boys. We like yuck. So as part of it, this is part of our afternoon. And you're probably thinking, craft paper, painter's tape, spaghetti, pot of water, what are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to be painting with worms.
Disgusting.
Okay, Chuckles. We call Noah Chuckles. How's our pot doing?
Good.
It is doing well. So is it ready?
I think so.
Take some noodles, break them in half. Like, yeah, you can take that. Okay, over the pot. Put it over the pot. See, so it doesn't splatter you. Oh, all over the kitchen. That's the beauty of spaghetti. The beauty of Noah putting noodles all over the floor is, who sweeps the floor, Noah? Ready? You hold the strainer under there, Noah. Okay? In one of our other art projects, we learned about what 2 kinds of colors? What, Micah?
Primary.
Primary colors, and they are what? Who said red?
Me.
Good. What's the other? Blue and
Yellow.
yellow. So what's the other kind of colors? What?
Secondary.
Secondary, and they are
Green.
green,
Orange.
orange, and
Purple.
purple. So we're gonna do that. There's 5 of y'all, so we're gonna do some combining. Okay. Homeschool Mom Log, 3:15 p.m. Otherwise known as we're finally finished with school, or the kids are about to lose their mind, or mama just kicked us out of the house, or this is the hour that we specifically bought a fenced-in backyard for, or help, I'm drowning in laundry, I better get started, or oh crap, I haven't planned dinner, or T-minus about an hour and a half until I'm no longer single parenting again. That's 3:15 p.m. in a nutshell.
That's right. Thank you for choosing to check out our video blog and joining us on this journey to thriving. Please be sure to click the link to subscribe. That way you can follow our journeys as we are going through all sorts of adventures and maybe even some misadventures through life.